So this is ElevenLabs TTS pricing explained. But before we start, click on my link below to get a discount on ElevenLabs. So first up, let's head over to the ElevenLabs website. And as you can see, I'm already here. On the top of the page, you will get to see the pricing option. Click on it and you'll be brought to this page. Over here, you can view all the plans that they offer. They have different sections like 11 Creative, 11 Agents, and 11 API. You can also choose between monthly billing and yearly billing. If you choose yearly, you will get to see a discounted rate for each of the plans. Now, if you keep scrolling down, you can view all the features each of the plans offer, so you can know exactly what you're paying for. The free plan offers 10,000 credits per month, and if you go for the starter plan, you will receive 30,000 credits, which is 3 times higher than the free plan. You also get the commercial license for using the content wherever you want, which is included in Starter, Creator, and Pro. Then, if you select the Creator plan, you get 121,000 credits. And finally, for the Pro plan, you get 600,000 credits. And if you're running a business and you need more credits, you can scroll down and you can see even more plans offering a lot more credits. And that's it. That is the ElevenLabs TTS pricing explained.